sometimes I feel like the resume formatting has some issues. For example, I've reviewed a lot of resumes that have pictures in it. Maybe it's popular in some other countries, but I think here in North America, it's not that common. Like it's usually suggested that you don't put images or your profile pictures on the resume. So just avoid that. And don't make your resume template too complex. You know, don't use tables because it becomes like some ATS systems are really good at parsing it, but you never know. It doesn't always do a perfect job. So have a simple template and format is actually going to help you. And honestly, like a 2-column style is not necessarily better looking in my perspective. Most of the time, employers are just looking for the key information. But you do need to keep your resume nice and clean for sure, right? Don't make it messy, regardless of the formatting. For some newcomers, I think the challenge is you don't have local experience or you don't have local education. I think the education part is a little bit harder to fix because you do need to invest, a few months or 1 to 2 years to get a local like degree or something. If you don't have local experience, then I think storytelling becomes very important. You need to bring whatever past experience, like relevant experience you have, put that on the resume. You need to remove some of those irrelevant, experience. And also you need to try your best to find or build up your experience, like, in the local environment. And working on side projects, right? Joining hackathons, all of these will be very helpful.